Pom. Hurry up, over there. Go to your toilet. There's the bird bath. There is our small patch of toilet for Pom Pom and Farley. Go ahead, do your business. There's the rest of the backyard. The shed, the other gate. So that's the old path that I can't dig right now because it's too cold. Nakakarating siya dun sa kabilang gate. Pero ngayon, too bad, I can't do it. Okay, linisin natin yung ano para makalabas din si Farley. Para lumitaw yung ano, yung damo. Okay. Come on, Pom. Do your business. Hurry up.